only 1805. Have a good night.
Today what we're going to show you is how to clean your Scba mask. First thing that you got to have is your chemical gloves on. Next thing is your safety goggles and your PPE, your bunker gear, totally on. Next thing you're going to see is we are not going to take anything apart from this mask. This mask here actually has a heads-up display here, headlights, so you can see how much air you've used in your Cascade bottle or your Scba. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so what you're going to need is the 3 buckets full of clear water, 3/4 way full, so that you can dunk them in without making a mess. And in our first bucket is the only one that we're going to add our disinfectant. And we just add 1 squirt of the disinfectant to this one. So we'll do that now. All right. Now this one we're going to dunk our Scba in it, fully submerge it, the whole thing. Leave it in there for 10 minutes. Okay, so once your 10 minutes is up, you take it from bucket 1 from the disinfectant and you put it into bucket 2, which is just clear, straight water. That's your first rinse. Now you're going to do rinse number 2. Bucket number 3. Okay, now that we've got it all rinsed, all we need to do is hang it up here to dry. And once it dried, put it back into service.
Argyle Fire Department, test page only 1805. Have a good night.